Hello, kids. This is teacher Yumi, and now let us practice some spelling words. And this is already lesson 2. Let us start. We will use the American English in reading these words. Little, 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 little. But we can read this one also as little in British English. Work, 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 work. No, no, KNOW, KNOW, no. Place, 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 place. Years, 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 years. Rain, 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 rain. Mail, 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 mail. Wait, 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 wait. Paint, 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 paint. Chant, 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 chant. Paid, 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 paid. Sale, SAIL, sale, SAIL, sale. Goods, 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 JOODS, goods. Services, 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 services. Consumer, 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 consumer. We can also read this one in British English as consumer. Producer, 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 producer. We can also read this one as producer. In British English, we can also read this one as producer, 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 consumer, consumer, and producer. Okay, this time, it's your turn to read and spell the words. Very good. Great. Amazing. Good. Good. That's correct. Very good. Okay, next. That's good. Okay, very good. And this time, let us read it together. Little, work, no, place, years, rain, mail, wait, paint, chant, paid, sale, goods, services, consumer, producer. Okay, once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless.